try to die, fight against them, that fight against I. Take hold of shield and butler and stand up for I help. Draw out thy spear and stop the way against them that try to persecute thy. Say unto I, thou art I salvation this day, as thou would say. And let them be confounded and put to shame and seek after I. Let them be turned back and brought to confusion. Yeah, amen. Let them be of the trouble to bring drivers away this day, as I would say. Let their way be dark and slippery. And let the works of thy word persecute them. For without God they are people idle and in a pit. Without God they are big for I. For thy son Rastafari. Yeah. So let destruction come upon him. I can't know where as I would say. Let his net that he had set for I catch himself as I would say. Into that very destruction let him fall this day as I would say. Then I shall be joyful in thee. In thee, O Rastafari, shall I rejoice.